Chickadee, welcome back to another vlog where today we're going to be doing a little bit of an experiment. We're going to use boiling water and find out if it freezes and stuff. And I've also got cold water as well because I think it will be a really interesting vlog to do it with cold water. So, first up, we've got our boiling cold water, our boiling water, just here. Very hot mug. Yeah, this is a very hot mug, so here we go. Oh, that did not do anything. I think that was something. I think this was the cold mug, probably why. Got another mug, ready. Find out what one was what. Right, here we go. The cold or hot mug. Now, that did absolutely nothing. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! So it turns out it's not cold enough for the water to turn to ice. So it's basically what it's supposed to do. When I threw the mugs, the cups of cold water, of the boiling hot water, it was basically meant to hopefully freeze in midair. And that would have been such an awesome vlog. But no. So you're going to see me playing football in the snow now. Come on in, Stevie. Come on, let me camera shy. How can I put the camera on? Evie! Oh! Bad Shady gets 200. Bad him. Oh, my naughty boy. Slap my hand really softly. So, I said soft. There we go. I got punished.
That, wow.
Oh, yeah. Let's put one in the side. There it is. This is just so insane. What is sound meant to be?
Hey, what's that?
What you doing? What's our doggy doing? Evie, jump up at me.
Sorry, I just had to. It was just too cute.
Woo! Wait, what's this?
Evie, you're not a rabbit! She did not see it.
Ready? See if this makes it there. 3, 2, 1. Wait, where did I even go? I lost it.
Did you try and spray snow?
No, I've tried to. I've thrown it and see what would happen if it broke apart or land and then go kabang apart. Go like this. Ready?
Get some snow.
So, number 2. Oh.
Nope.
Anyway.
Everybody clap.
Anyway, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching this vlog. If you did, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. And please subscribe as well for more of these crazy snow experiments. And there'll possibly be more experiments on the way. But for now, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. And I'll see you all later. Goodbye!